Bonjour mes amis, comment ça va? Hello friends, how are you? So first of all, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn the conjugation of être, which means to be, in the present tense in French. Now, before starting the video, I want to tell you that être is one of the most important verb in French. So, learning the conjugation of être is one of the most basic and an important step in learning French. So, make sure to watch the video till the end if you want to learn the conjugation of être. So, let's start the video. Now, être is conjugated as suis with je. So, whenever we want to say I am, we say je suis. Repeat with me. Je suis. Je suis. Very good. Now, être is conjugated as est with tu. So, if we want to say you are informal and singular, we say tu es. Tu es. Repeat with me. Tu es. Very good. Now, être is conjugated as est with il. So, if we want to say he is masculine and singular, we say il est. Il est. Repeat with me. Il est. Very good. Être is conjugated as est with elle. So, if we want to say she is feminine and singular, we say elle est. Repeat with me. Elle est. Elle est. Very good. Être is conjugated as est with o. So, if we want to say we are informally, we say on est. Repeat with me. On est. On est. Very good. Être is conjugated as some with nous. So, whenever we want to say we are in a formal manner or in the neutral manner, we say nous sommes. Nous sommes. Repeat with me. Nous sommes. Very good. Être is conjugated as z with vous. So, whenever we want to say you are in a formal manner or when there are more than one person, we say vous êtes. Repeat with me. Vous êtes. Vous êtes. Very good. Être is conjugated as so with ils. So, whenever we want to say they are to the group of people where there is group of men or boys, that is masculine, or a group of people where there are men, women, boys, girls, all, that is mixed plural. We say ils sont. Ils sont. Repeat with me. Ils sont. Very good. Être is conjugated as so with else. So, whenever we want to say they are in a feminine plural group, we say elles sont. Elles sont. Repeat with me. Elles sont. Very good. So, that was in today's video. Thank you. Merci. So, if you have liked the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Au revoir.